Hello everyone, Professor Joshi here. Today we will discuss patent law and its related information. Introduction. Patent is word originated from Latin word pater. It means to lay open, to make it available for public inspection. Patent is a grant from the government. So the applicant of patent is granted by government for his innovation. A guarantee for limited period of time can be given. Most probably, the patent is valid for 20 years. The required privileges for a patentee is as follows. It can make his innovation or manufacture his innovation in the way he invented. Second, he can sell its rights for manufacturing to some company, and using the invention he can get the royalty. So if we consider this figure, the intellectual property, that is patent, is protected by patent law. This figure depicts that the intellectual property of any person is protected by patent law. So the patent is protected property of any person which should not be copied. So the patent gives us the feature. The first one is to reward the inventor. As I mentioned in earlier slide also, the patentee can get the royalty or loyalty for his patent. To protect their invention from being copied, so the patent law keep that innovation secret for the particular given period of time. And last one, intention of patent is to protect the creativity of an individual. So intellectual property of any person is protected by means of this patent. If we consider patent is a monopoly right to a person who has invented a new and useful article, or it is an improvement of an existing article, or a new process of making any article. A patent is not granted for an idea or principle as such, but it is granted for some article or the process of making some of the article. The term of every patent is 20 years and it is maintained by paying the renewal fees at every succeeding year. So why one should go for patent? To prevent the leaking of information of the invention through the workmen of inventor, to prevent secret exploitation of invention by the competitors. On obtaining patent, the patentee can lawfully enforce against the infringers. Patentee can get monetary reward by granting licenses to the others, or by cross-licensing, or by assigning the patent, or by donating the patent and get the tax benefit also. The Indian Patent Act 1970. The Indian legislation which controls the patent system is laid under this Indian Patent Act 1970. In India, the grant of patents is governed by the Patent Act 1970 and Rules 1972, which is operative in whole India. So it is the Indian Patent Act 1970. It has 23 chapters and 162 sections. Journey of Indian patent system. In 1856, protection of invention is thought of first. Then in 1911, Indian Patents and Design Acts came into picture. In 1972, this Indian Patent Act is modified and Act 39 of 1970 is amended. It includes only process patents, 14 years and 5 years for food and drug respectively. In 1975, India joins WIPO. WIPO stands for World Intellectual Property Organization. In 1999, India signs TRIPS. TRIPS stands for Trade Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights. In 1999, 2002, 2004 and 2005, different amendments are made into Indian Patent Act. The main amendments are focused on product patents, and it also amended the patent valid for 20 years of period. If we consider the patent grant procedure, applicant is need to filing of patent application. There are two methods for filling the patent application. One is early publication and a standard publication after 18 months. So after successful processing in the application, the pre-grant opposition representation by any person is considered. If the patent is found innovative and novel, then request for examination is granted. On examination, the patent officials grant or refuse the patent. Next step, after examination, once the patent is granted, the publication of grant of patent is available on the patent website. Next is post-grant opposition to grant of patent. So constitution of opposition board is there. So if there is some opposition for patent, that can be considered in this step. And the decision by controller is last. Next is patent revocation. What does it mean, revocation? It is request to revoke a granted patent. So opposition is nothing but the right to oppose grant of a patent. The two types of oppositions are there, pre-grant opposition and post-grant opposition. Pre-grant opposition, it is right to oppose the grant of a patent, and post-grant opposition, request to revoke a granted patent within 1 year of grant of patent. Revocation is bounded by terms beyond the post-grant opposition. Revocation of patents, apart from challenging the grant of patent or opposing the granted patent under the sections 25(1) and 25(2), another opportunity to file petition and revocation of the patent can be done. Section 64 and 36 of Indian Patent Act 1970 takes care of this revocation of patent. Patent may be revoked any time during the life of patent and by any person interested in. Unlike post-grant opposition, revocation of patent is not time-bound procedure. So post-grant opposition should be carried out within 1 year of grant of patent, whereas revocation of patent is not time-bound procedure. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.